Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix slow download speeds in Google Chrome and optimize its performance. If this helps improve your browsing experience, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Let's get started. By default, Chrome uses your internet provider's DNS, which may not be the fastest. Switching to a public DNS like Google or Cloudflare can improve performance. Open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Click on Security and scroll down to use Secure DNS. If it's set to With your current service provider, change it to Custom. Choose either Google Public or Cloudflare. Try both and see which one provides the best speed for your location. This can reduce latency and improve loading times for websites and downloads. Parallel downloading allows Chrome to split files into multiple parts and download them simultaneously, increasing speed. In the Chrome address bar, type CHROME://flags like this and press Enter. In the search bar, type Parallel Downloading. Set it to Enabled. Restart Chrome for the changes to take effect. This feature is especially useful for large files, significantly boosting download speeds. Chrome runs background processes that may slow down your browser and use unnecessary resources. Let's disable them. Click the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Scroll down to System. Turn off. Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This frees up RAM and CPU. Turn on. Use hardware acceleration when available. This improves performance using your GPU. These changes will make Chrome faster and more responsive while reducing memory usage. Now that we've optimized Chrome, restart Chrome to apply all changes. Test your download speed on a file and see if it has improved. Let me know in the comments if these steps worked for you. If this helped, please leave a like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.